Hello guys, so Deepak here. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a new scope. When we install a DHCP server, after that we need to create a new scope. So if we create a new scope, so after that network client get the IP address from that particular scope. So in order to do that, I need to open a server manager, and after that I need to open a DHCP manager. So after that I expand the DHCP server setting IPv4. Just right click on IPv4 and choose a new scope. So here there is a new scope wizard. Just click on next. So here we need to enter the name of that scope. So for example, we want to go for HR department. So if you want, you can enter description for more detail. Click next. So I need to enter the DHCP server scope start IP address range and end IP address range. So I want my client get IP like 50.0.0.0.010 and range and width 50. So this is the DHCP lease duration. If you want, you can change the length. By default it's a 8. Click next. Add exclusion range. If you want, you can enter those IP address. Click next. So this is the lease duration. The lease duration specific how long client can get IP address from the scope. So by default is say 8 days. If you want, you can add more days. For example, I want 30 days. Click next. It's asking configure DHCP. You have to configure must common DHCP option before client can use the scope. So yes, I want to configure this option now. If you want, you can do it later. So click next. It's asking for router router IP address. So you need to enter here your default gateway. Your router address always be your gateway. So I don't have router, so I am entering my server address. So my client always get the gateway as my server address. Click next. It's asking for domain name services. So it's a DNS. It's already resolved with 10.10.10. Click next. It's asking for Win server. We don't need to enter anything in Win server entry. Click next. It's asking for activate or not. So client can obtain address lease only if scope is activated. So yes, I want to activate scope now. Click next. So that's it. Finish. So now we can see how